Welcome to Adobe Animate CC tutorial series. In this tutorial series we will learn how to create an interactive animation in HTML5 canvas using Adobe Animate CC. Let's watch the demo of the project to see the end result. I am opening project files in Adobe Animate CC 2019. I did this animation for my client and I like it very much. I decided to make step-by-step tutorial. After watching this you will be able to make an interactive animation for HTML canvas. This animation describes the verification process. I will share more details in upcoming tutorials. Let's test the animation in browser to see the result. As you see, the animation is open in the browsers. I am using Chrome to test the animation. This is our main page, the starting screen of animation, and when I click the right side button the animation moves forward. And when I hover over the verify with hover button it changes the background color. And by clicking hover button a box pop up and we have display a short message for our visitor. Click on next button to move forward and as you see again button color changes and message pop up on buttons click. Here we display 3 messages. Click next button to move forward, the verification card is moving on the belt. The animation shows that the verification card passes from different phases to complete the verification process. This is our last screen. Now we use backward button to move backward. As you see that this is very beautiful animation for verification process. The visitor used the button to move the animation forward and backward to understand the verification process. Please stay connected for future tutorials and give me your feedback in comments. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.